Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing your study seriously and paying attention in the study properly. Please take care of yourself and your family also. So children, today we will learn English Unit 2 Flying Together. Now you already know that in the previous class we have completed the explanation of this chapter Flying Together. So today we will see about its meanings and question answers. So let's start. I request you all, whenever I am reading these meanings and question answers, please listen this properly. With this PPT file, I will send you PDF file also. So from the PDF file you can write this answers. So from the video don't try to write the answers. Afterwards, first you have to watch this whole video, then after that I will send you PDF file. So from that you can write the notes, means meanings and question answers. So let's read meanings. I request you all, please open your textbook of English and see on page number 32. Here we have some new words. We can see meanings also. So that I am reading first. Geese, plural for goose, large web-footed bird. This is called geese. Creeper, meaning plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, meaning go in circular, spiral course. Muttered, meaning spoken in a low tone. Flapped, meaning move wings up and down. So children, we have read the meanings. Now we will see question answers. So here we are having total 6 question answers. I will read it for you. Question 1. I request you all, before to start this reading, please no need to write, pause the video and write the answers. I will send you PDF file, so from that you can write. So please pay attention when I am reading and try to understand the answer. Number 1. Where did the geese live? Answer. The geese lived on the top of a tree. 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Answer. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper as it would become thick and strong, and with the help of the creeper it would be possible for someone to climb the tree. Number 3. Why did the geese cry, "Help, help"? Answer. The geese cried, "Help, help," as they were caught in the hunter's net. Number 4. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Answer. The hunter threw the geese out of the net when he thought that they were dead. Number 5. Why did the geese pretend to be dead? Answer. The geese pretended to be dead as the hunter would not want dead birds and hence will throw them to the ground. Number 6. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. Now here, children, please listen to me carefully. Number 6 is there. Question number 6. You can see on page number 33. Question 6. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. So this you have to think about your life and some observation, some experience you have to remember, and this answer you have to write by yourself according to your experience. So here in this question you have to write that when you have not done any work on time and which kind of trouble you have to face. So that which kind of trouble you have faced, so that experience you have to note down in this question. But you don't have to write this question's answer in the CW. This question 6 you have to write in a HW. So children, I am giving you some homework. Learn and write these all meanings and question answers in your CW means this all meanings you have to learn and write in your notebook, in your classwork notebook, these all meanings and question answers with beautiful handwriting without cancellation, and try to learn, keep your study well. We will see the other exercises of this chapter in the next video. Till then, learn these all exercises, means meanings and question answers, and take care of yourself. Thank you.